Alrighty, day 2 of the renos.
For those who don't know what's going on, I'm Jake. I bought a trailer. I'm putting it near the Grand Canyon on Airbnb. I started remodeling it already and
got a lot of painting to do today. More things to set up, a lot more Amazon boxes. Gotta get started.
Hi, Braxy. Starting the paint job. Well, just snapped the pole. Now I gotta go figure out how to clean that up so we can keep doing this. So I don't have one of those fancy scrapers, but I have a little small like paint palette knife. So this will have to do. Today we have the countertops coming in, doing some more touches, putting up some more things. More Amazon packages are coming. Ripping out all the countertop. This is coming out, that's coming out, and that's coming out. We just installed the curtain. Whoa, some privacy. Table's gone. There we go. Got all sink in your hand, bro.
It all kind of makes sense when you start looking under the pipes, bro.
It's a good thing you're starting to, like, you know, check your pipes at this age.
Hey man, it's important to check the pipes. And then move.
So I keep hating Lex hand screwdrivers because I don't have a power drill at my house. So I'm used to hand screwdriver. And Lex, very fortunate to have a power drill. I don't have a power drill. I'm not a real man yet.
Well, let's not get confused, we're borrowing debt. I'm not a real man.
Owning your own power drill. Things to aspire to.
Okay. Going your way. You give me the fake.
You heard it here first. Lex is using.
So disappointing.
Whoa, look at that. Looks so beautiful.
This is done. This is trained as well. They're gonna do a backsplash here.
Fantastic.
And then they're gonna do the white with a backsplash here as well.
Look at that. Look at that. So I asked my mom to paint a mural on the back of the trailer, and I haven't seen it yet. Oh my God, Mom, that looks so epic. That looks so cool.
It's not done yet, but it's getting there.
Look at that though. This is gonna look so epic, Mom. Finishing up painting this entire bottom right here black, and we're finishing upholstering the cushion for inside. Okay, so even though that looked really fast in the time lapse, that was taking way too long. So I'm stealing one of my mom's paintbrushes to hopefully make this go a little faster. So one of the things we're also doing is reupholstering the cushions because the originals looked like garbage.
I ain't doing it.
Well, yeah, but you know, I'm just telling people we're doing it.
It's like when you're a married couple and your wife calls you and go, honey, we got in a car accident. And it's like, no, you crashed the car. It's funny because I've crashed so many cars.
So Lex just told me a package just arrived, and I think I know what it is. The last piece of the puzzle for this trailer. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Don't tell me that doesn't look just stunning.
Yeah, baby.
What the hell? I gotta get a silver Sharpie out. All right, it's official. They're signed and done. Ready to go. So the trailer is leaving tomorrow. You know what that means? Renos are done, baby. Renos are done. I'm very excited. This is the first time getting to see it like fully done. And Lex said he added something special, so I'm a little nervous. Oh my God, that looks so cool. That's awesome. Good job, Lex. Good job. That looks so good. So this is the official pre-leaving tour of the trailer. We finished painting all of this black, which looks so good. Look at this mural, it's done. Oh, it looks so good. I was just saying, it looks unbelievable.
It's all right. It's all right. Look, it does the trick.
Now, especially from a distance where you're gonna take a photo from here like this, people are gonna be like, oh my God, I love it.
Hey, it does the trick, man. Got the black under.
The black looks so clean. All right, let's check it out. Oh, ho, ho, ho. More importantly, first and foremost, just look at these countertops. Unbelievable. Look at these cushions. A little cutting board, perfectly circle. Oh, look at this. So good. Then we got the double bunk bed. It's looking great. Look at this. Very excited about this. It looks so good. Couldn't be happier. It leaves to Arizona tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning we'll take it up. Chris will drive. We'll probably do, it's an 8-hour drive from here. Be bringing Bronxy. We'll get there first day.
Well, that's gonna be a whole nother video.
Okay, that's fine.